Hey everyone, it's Jessica. Just wanted to do an update. I am 5 weeks post-op. I got my surgery April 18, 2011. I have lost 70 pounds in 5 weeks, so that's, a really big accomplishment. I'm really proud of myself for that, and so just want to answer some questions that I get a lot, like how did your surgery go and was it painful? The surgery was not painful at all. When I woke up, I wasn't in any pain. Um, the most painful part was for about the week after that. It just feels like you have a lot of pulled muscles in your stomach. Um, and it's hard, you have to get 4 ounces of water every hour, and that's hard, and it can be painful. My best advice would be to just do it and just trudge through it. Another question is it painful to eat? Is it hard to eat? Yeah, it's hard to eat. I tend to eat too much too fast. And just because you get the surgery and it makes your stomach smaller doesn't mean that it changes your old habits. So that's something that I definitely, listen to your doctor. Chew your food, take small bites the size of a pea, all that good stuff. Because, it can get painful. Another thing is that I'm having problems with is protein shakes. I really hate the protein shakes. I think they're disgusting, icky. I have not found one that I like. The one that I can get down and be okay with is just the Jillian Michaels whey protein. I get it from Walmart. And so that's another hurdle every day is getting that protein shake down. I do eat a lot of chicken and seafood and stuff like that, so I'm getting my protein that way. I don't want to lose my hair. Another thing that I'm facing, now that all the pain's gone from the surgery, that only took a week, so, but something that I'm facing is an emotional roller coaster. I miss food. I love food, you know, the smell of it, everything about it. I love it, and I'm not gonna lie, and I know food's a problem for me, which is why I got the surgery. Um, but something I would recommend is, you know, just know that it'll all be worth it and that you'll feel a lot better because I feel great. I can go for a walk without being in pain and, I just have more energy. So, just know that it gets better. I'm only 5 weeks and I already think it's getting better. So, a lot of people ask me, would you recommend this? Would you do it again? I would recommend it if and only if you were so ready to take on this challenge, because whoever thinks this is easy is insane. Like, I'm going through so much and so many changes, and watching people eat is so hard. I had my sister's graduation party today. We went to Golden Corral buffet, and I just ate some chicken. But to watch everyone eat and it looks so good, it's one of those things where I have a problem with food. I know that. Can't, I can't go to a buffet and eat a lot. So that's just something that I have to learn to accept, and I know it's going to take a while, but I know in the end it'll be worth it, and I'm so glad that I did this for myself, because I know myself, and I know that this was the only way, that this was saving my life, and that it was the absolute 100% best thing to do for me. I would strongly recommend talking to a counselor before and after you get the surgery, or, just having a good support system, because there's so many emotions that you go through that, you can't understand, you can't comprehend, because at one time, you handled those emotions with food. That's how I handled my emotions. If I was sad, if I was mad, even if I was happy, I would eat. Eat, 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 eat. That's just what I did. And now I have to face all those emotions head on, you know, no cushion, no food to support me, you know, just facing my emotions. And that is the hardest part. The surgery wasn't hard. You know, I can handle the, you know, chewing slowly and getting your protein, getting your vitamins, but I just want people to know that this was an emotional roller coaster. It was emotionally hard. It was emotionally draining. It still is. You know, chances are if you get the surgery, you don't know someone that has had the surgery that you're close to. So you can't relate to people anymore. And that is the hardest part. And I thank all of my family and friends so much for all their support. They've been, you know, just great. But they still don't know how I'm feeling inside. And they still don't know what it's like to be me. So just be prepared for that. And sometimes it is a lonely road. Um, but in the end, I know it'll be all worth it because 70 pounds in 5 weeks is okay with me, you know. So, if you have any questions about how I'm feeling or how you can expect to feel or anything, just ask me because I know that I was looking for answers to questions when I was ready to get the surgery. So, I'm an open book. Feel free to ask me anything you'd like. You can email me, you can message me on YouTube. You know, you can even go find me on Facebook. And like I said, you know, I'd love friends that I can talk to about this because it can be a lonely road. And I know if you have questions, you'd love to get them answered. So, thanks everyone for watching and thanks again for your support. And if you'd like me to make a video about a specific subject or topic or a question, just shoot me an email. Thanks.